everybody, Paul Pettrone here from Elite Turning and Machining, president of the company. And we're here with Syracuse Supply. And behind me you'll see a couple BTLs, 9300s, turning some Inconel castings. And the good machines, they remove material at a fast rate. We've had very good success with all the machinery that we do buy from Syracuse Supply. We're able to remove material fairly fast and much more efficiently. We do get a lot of support from them as well, whether it's in the programming, whether it's in the repair, service, or anything stepping into the new machinery that we're going is fifth axis. We're putting a 6500 in. We also have a new company that we acquired last year, Machinecraft 2. Over there is where we're going to actually have that 6500, and we have another 8,500 square foot that we're going to be putting our fifth axis machines in. So we've been in business for about 13 years, and we've grown to 4 buildings. We have 52 employees. We have over 100 machining centers, and probably in the area of 85 to 90,000 square feet altogether. And hopefully we'll continue with Syracuse Supply and with Elite and build this company up to a very large company. And again, I appreciate everything that Syracuse Supply does, and thank you again for everything you do.